We have complex fraction because we have fractions in numerator and in the denominator. So first we have to check if we can do some operations in the numerator and in the denominator. We have addition of algebraic fractions, so we need to have the same denominator for s and t. The least common denominator will be st. We have to just multiply variable s times variable t. So let me copy our example one more time. And like I said, the common denominator will be sc. So I need to multiply s times t. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. T I have to multiply times s, so the same with numerator. In denominator we have st, so the same situation, times t times t times s times s. We need to have the same denominator to add or subtract fractions. So now we will have 1 times t is t, s times t is st, plus 1 times s is s, t times s is ts. I can write as c, I can change the order. And in denominator we will have 1 times t is t over st minus 1 times s is s over ts, so this is st because I have st in the first denominator, so I want to have st in the second. So this is equal. Now when we have the same denominator, we have to copy the denominator and we just add numerator. So it will be t plus s, and in the denominator we have st, we have subtraction, so we copy the denominator and we just subtract numerators, so it will be t minus s. So this is equal because we cannot reduce anything in the numerator and in the denominator, so we change this fraction bar to division sign because fraction bar means division. So this is equal t plus s over st divide by t minus s over st. So this is equal. When we have division of algebraic fractions, we have to copy first fraction, we change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction, so it will be st over t minus s. Next, when we have multiplication of algebraic fractions, we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So t plus s, we have to multiply times st over st times t minus s. So this is equal. In parentheses we have different terms, but we have s and s, so we can cancel out, and we have multiplication, that's why you can cancel out, and we have t and t. So it will be t plus s over t minus s. This is my solution.